Yeah, greetings and salutations. Yeah, you know it's your favorite Jamaican, ladies and gentlemen. It's Rastafari Soldier. Jumped out the studio for a second. Yeah, I'm chilling because you know I'm willing, always willing. But I noticed in the news that activists urges Jamaicans to nix the anti-Sodom law amid horrifying violence. Me no know what kind of violence, cause them say silence is violence. I'm Rastafari Soldier, ladies and gentlemen. The Approach TV. I them think them in a two one address, but we are gonna talk like about this. Families and friends anophymic culture. Them people here me wrong beat like a vulture. But the activists in Jamaica are urging the people them and the government to nix their anti-gay laws amidst violence against homosexuals in Jamaica. Me never hear about them violence because if me did hear me and report it, you are gone. Take. But I'm gonna make you know say it is not Jamaican's culture. You are gonna take eating the wrong meat and doing the wrong thing like a vulture. You see me out in the street trying to make ends meet. So I man don't want to upon certain topic, cause them topic that get you defeat. But I man say, yo, no violence without no cause, home or abroad. I'm Rastafari Soldier here reporting live in Lauderdale, Florida, out of Broward County, South Florida. Yeah, me take a little trip on the street and thought I would chill back and make ends meet. So I'm more life and I'm more joy. Them say them on them too anti-gay. I guess they're homophobic in Jamaica. Let me know. Leave your comment if you know the history behind the homophobic attitudes of Jamaicans. But me hear the paper them spreading rumors that the culture has been infiltrated by money, by certain top artists, and our culture has been sold out. And the money are rolled through upon them like a vulture. Certain people have been highlighted in our community and in our sociality. Me mean in our throne, in our dancehall, them. You are gone team, and big up. None of them call me and them and a friend. I am reporting me upon the side of the street. Lauderdale, Florida, Jamaica Hill. Yeah, that me I deal with. Me tell you say, I'm in a state right now. Broward County place. Yeah, big up on yourself. Deep side, you know we don't take no bright sunrise and them place. Tamarack, South Florida. I'm talking about all down in Miami. Them place that we are talking about. Big up on yourself, you are going to you see I'm just sitting on the side of the street, chilling back in one of the biggest Jamaican population in the United States. A place where them call Lauderdale. They even call it Jamaica Hill. You are going to hear so much people there in that community. Big up place like Miramar, yeah, Plantation, Sunrise, you are gonna take. Big up all of South Florida and all of North Florida also. You know me I say Tampa and them place there. Boca Raton, West Palm Beach, Orlando. It's Rastafari Soldier. Your favorite Jamaican. I'm reporting, yeah, them a talk about the anti-gay laws in Jamaica. Say the activists are playing to the government to change their stance and the people to change their stance. The rush of horrifying violence. I man never hear about no violence, but me know that silence is violence, and there's an attack on the Jamaican culture through the music, the loudness, and through the acceptance, the buyout and the selling of the culture. And that a guan pan what a guan. Leave your comments on this topic, ladies and gentlemen. I man don't touch it too often, cause I man don't promote certain laughing. Cause fisherman talk about fish, yeah, farmer man talk about farming. You are gonna take. build up the Rastaman panel. Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. I'm Rastafari Soldier. Deep Roots TV, Free Youth TV. If you want to hear the truth, subscribe, like, and share. You hear? More life, more joy. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, you know it's more happiness. Stay blessed. Wanna leave in the comment on the topic. Let me know if you agree with the activists say Jamaica need to change the law. Let me know if you think the law will stay the same, and leave your comment if you understand the history of why Jamaicans have such a stand against these kind of levity in society. I'm Rastafari Soldier. Big up on yourself. Keep the fire blazing. Fire key, what your office say?
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people I put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder. The proof flashy like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them will them fret and look how much them put under. How much of the youth them will them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proof full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari Soldier, fire king. Yeah,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in the year every time.
Hey, Deep Roots, man. How you guys doing out there? We're having a good time, man. We're right in Fort Lauderdale Beach. We got dancing, we got party, we got beautiful women. We doing good things over here. Deep Roots, man. Keep it real.
Big up Deep Roots TV for me now. Yeah, man. It's not a squash. It's a squash. Oh, a squash. Big up Deep Roots TV every time.